हेलो दोस्तों। वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित। गेम वीक 19 प्रीव्यू करेंगे। मनन, बहुत ही शॉर्ट टर्न अराउंड है। इनफैक्ट व्हेन मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल लिसन टू द स्पॉट तब लेस देन 24 आवर्स होंगे, बिकॉज फेस्टिव पीरियड इज ऑन। अपेरेंटली ये ऐसा टाइम होता है जहां मज़ा आता है लोगों को फुटबॉल देखने में, जहां पे एफपीएल पॉइंट्स आते हैं, स्कोर्स होते हैं, एक्सेट्रा। मेरे को तो कोई इसमें इंटरेस्ट है नहीं, कंसिडरिंग मेरा सीजन कैसे जा रहा है। बट मनन, आपको होगा और हमारे बहुत सारे लिसनर्स को भी है जिनके सीजन एटलीस्ट मेरे से काफ़ी बेटर जा रहे हैं। तो वील डू अ क्विक पॉड। वील लुक
Yeah.
एट हमारे ट्रांसफर्स क्या हैं, भाटिया साहब की टीम देखेंगे अनफॉर्चुनेटली फिर से। एंड वील जस्ट डिस्कस कि क्या राइट अप्रोच होनी चाहिए इन दिस वेरी वेरी कंजेस्टेड पीरियड, जिसको फेस्टिव पीरियड
Yeah.
बोलते हैं, जो मेरे लिए फेस्टिव नहीं है। लाइक करो दोस्तों, लाइक करो।
Yeah.
और
Make it better.
सब्सक्राइब करो, टेलीग्राम चैनल फॉलो करो, जिसका लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में। और अगर मुझे याद रहा तो पिंड कमेंट में एज वेल, जो मुझे लास्ट टाइम याद नहीं रहा था। राइट, वेयर इज भाटिया साहब? Like a lot
He's
of
not.
people have asked
He,
me. No
he,
one has asked
he
me actually, but where is he?
no. He's. I do. Last pod में अगर किसी ने miss out किया था, he's getting cocky. He doesn't want to come on and share his transfers and his wisdom with us. He he's about to catch up on me as well now, and I hate that fact because
is
then he's
is
gonna be
that
more
supposed to be
cocky.
a sign of a good manager? He is catching up to you.
No, no, no. It's just he's gonna get more cocky. That's absolutely it.
He's
So
gonna get as cocky as you, basically.
okay, yeah, you can say that. But
No one can match your
he's being more
cockiness.
cocky than when I was at his rank. So he might be more.
That's
But
true.
anyway,
That's true.
choice. I think he'll join us in I think a couple of game weeks. But yeah,
Yeah. मनन,
that's
टेलीग्राम पे एक्चुअली मैंने पूछा लोगों से कि स्कोर्स वगैरह, एंड दिस वाज वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट स्कोर्स आई सॉ, बिकॉज इट जनरली हैज बीन लाइक अ टेरिबल वीक फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ
yeah, it has
मैनेजर्स.
been. Yeah,
It's the whole season has been like this ki it's just come to like a couple of players, whether you have a good rank or a bad rank, like इतना swing है उन couple of players में कि आपकी massive red और massive green आता है, right? तो I saw some really bad scores and I saw some really good scores telegram पे, right? So we'll start with the very good, which is you. 54 points minus 4, so you got
yeah,
effectively 50 points.
yeah.
Yeah, quickly, let's just go through your team ek baar.
So
Primarily, I can see it's just about like 2-3 players who've done really well.
yeah, again, it's again every week. Again, हम game week 10 से बात कर रहे हैं, रक्षित की. This season the trend has been if you have 2 or 3 players who give you at least double digit returns, you're gonna get a green arrow, is what I've observed. Obviously captaincy aside, क्योंकि captain हर जना Haaland बहुत popular captain होता है any which ways हर week. This week I made 2 transfers. I did Bruno to Cunha and I did a last minute transfer of Anderson, the Fulham Anderson, to Keane, which has paid off because Anderson got 5, and if you take out the hit as well, and I got an additional
So
1 point
paid
for
off by
Keane.
1 point.
Yeah, no, but that's good because it was a sort of a medium to long term move, and it already paid off. So anything I get for Keane, yeah, it's nice. Um, Timber didn't play. We'll talk about it in your about the Arsenal players not showing up आपकी team में, because that was very relevant for you. But other than that, I got Semenyo with 9. पूरे मैच में कुछ नहीं किया. मैंने वो पूरा मैच देखा and he was the worst player on the pitch, right? Right? But then he was not even getting into the box a lot. I kid you not, वो
कुछ नहीं कर
box
रहा
के
था उसने,
आसपास
ना
भी नहीं
वो
कर रहा
शॉट
था.
ले रहा था, ना वो चांस
And
क्रिएट कर रहा था. He was just floating on the pitch, man.
yeah, and then
And
वो
then right place,
Jimenez.
right time,
Yeah,
boom.
exactly. And good finish. Obviously, it was a good finish. But I don't think because unka Chelsea, Arsenal, and again the City wants to complete the transfer ASAP as soon as the window opens up. And he's also on a 4 yellow card. I just have a feeling that he's going to purposely get a yellow card so that his transfer is accelerated because Bournemouth want to keep him for Arsenal match. Right? These are sort of the rumors I'm hearing. So any which ways, Semenyo for me he's a proper sell right now. I don't think I have zero motivation to keep him. Saka again 7 points, should have had more, should have scored a goal, missed a 1-on-1. But he's someone I really like to own, Rakshit, because इस season जो players almost sort of 80 to 90 minutes खेलते हैं, sort of penalties या set pieces पे हैं और हर मैच खेल रहे हैं, तो वो अच्छे हैं इस बार. Like they chip on you 6, 7, 5, 6 points, Rakshit, and that is enough, is what I feel.
He's really good for bonus. एक भी
Yeah,
assist मिलता है तो he gets like bonus points.
but he was not in the bonus till the 90th minute. In additional time, I think वो bonus में आया है. So that was nice. Other than that, Van Dijk can't keep a clean sheet ever. Worst pick in the game. I have Joe Rodon injured and he might be out for a while, but I still want to take Van Dijk out first. But I'll give him one more week. इसके अलावा Thiago matched Ekitike. That was huge. He should have had an assist more, but unfortunately, इस पे 4 deflections थे, I think. So obviously it doesn't count. But he should have had more. हर goal, हर shadow के goal के in and around Thiago था, right,
Yeah.
Rakshit? So he could have had more. I like him for this fixture. And then Dubravka, the best keeper in the game,
Legend.
absolutely pulling out 11 points when I needed him. Last week Verbruggen ने किया था 11. This week Dubravka ने किया 11. Really delighted
Bro,
with
this match gave you like 21 points,
21 points,
which
0
is
0.
half of the average.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And Dubravka gave me 3 bonus. Keane gave me 2 bonus. So they were both the top bonus point scorers. Yeah. This is
And
pure luck.
Dubravka का ये है कि क्लीन शीट रखता है तो नॉर्मली 3 बोनस और सेव ले आता है.
Yeah.
So he's like a hauling keeper.
He made 6 saves, right? So
Yeah, 6 saves.
Yeah.
That sort of a
insane.
keeper.
Yeah. Love those
Okay.
keepers, yeah.
Let's go on to Bhatia Saab, who got 49 points. Effectively 1 point less than you. अगर आप टीम का स्ट्रक्चर देखो कहाँ से उनके पॉइंट्स है, इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ द सेम. लाइक ही हैड डुब्रावका स्टार्टिंग, यू हैड डुब्रावका स्टार्टिंग, ही हैड टार्कोव्स्की, यू हैड कीन. थैंक गॉड चेल्सी से चालोबा उन्हें 0 पॉइंटर मिला बिकॉज आई वाज सिक ऑफ दोस चालोबा पॉइंट्स. रिचर्ड्स डिड नॉट प्ले सो ही वाज डाउन टू 10 men. ओराइली थोड़ा सा अंडरवेलमिंग रहा मनन लास्ट 2-3 वीक्स में स्पेशली. The reliable Declan Rice Saka combo with 12 points in a game week like this is good. He had Xhaka, who gave an assist, who gave like a bonus point, and he had Ekitike ka assist with Haaland captaincy.
Yeah.
Solid team. Again, it all came down to that one match, Everton Burnley.
Yeah,
which
that's it.
contributed 19 points to a score, by the way.
Yeah, that's it.
So यही है. बाकी आर्सेनल के जो reliable players हैं उन्हें वहाँ से points मिले हैं. Okay, let's go to my team. Actually, बहुत difference नहीं है. Manan, if you see, if you look at Dubravka and you look at my Sunderland boys, right? They gave me 21 points. These 3 players, right? So, अगर आप, I also started Dubravka, although Vicario also kept a clean sheet. It's that weird random week जहाँ पे कुछ भी हो रहा था.
Yeah.
I was down to 10 men. Calafiori started and this broke me. Calafiori started warm up में injured होके चला गया. मतलब if you had to sum up my season, it's this
yeah.
moment,
Yeah,
I would say.
I know.
एक differential Arsenal defender जो clean sheet रख सकता था, attacking return आ सकते थे. And Manan, you know how close he has been to a haul this season. And
Since
now
game week
he's
10.
like,
Yeah.
ना Arteta कुछ बताएगा कि क्या होने वाला है. He might start and haul. He might be out for like 6 weeks. उसने बोला it was a strange injury. What the fuck is a strange injury भाई? Like क्या
How
हुआ है
would you
बता दे भाई.
categorize? Yeah.
क्या है, खेलेगा नहीं खेलेगा, 1 मैच के लिए बाहर है, 2 साल के लिए बाहर है, बता
But
दे.
this is really unlucky, Chopra sir, कि Calafiori, Timber both out. Like
दोनों नहीं है.
दोनों ही
दोनों
नहीं है.
बाहर.
मतलब if you would have asked me ना before this, I'd say first Calafiori, second Timber, right? Hincapi, क्योंकि by the way, Hincapi was the one who was doubtful. These both defenders
Yeah.
were never doubtful. Imagine.
And
That's shit
it's
luck.
sort of a क्या बोलूँ मैं आपको, आप shit luck बोल लो, I agree with you, but lesson भी है कि this is that sort of season where you just go for the reliable players, unfortunately.
Yeah,
बहुत
but
बार
Timber
बोन हो
has
चुका
been
मैं.
reliable. It's fine.
Timber has been reliable. Timber has been reliable, but he was a doubt for this match.
But
So
no, wait. He was a doubt, but the Hincapi was a very big doubt, and he started and played whole match. Again, the problem is the manager, Rakshit. We don't get any sort of information.
then should we even go for these players? अगर manager ऐसा है?
That's
the
where I
question,
feel.
no?
That's where I'm ready to do Timber to Gabriel in a heartbeat, right? Because
Exactly.
because I don't want, and that is gonna be my approach even from now, and I have been making that same approach since game week 14. I think I'm just getting the template reliable 90 minutes player.
So Manan, I did
4
not.
5 points. That's it.
By the way, I did not make a move because I was not sure who do I get, right? Like I could have taken a hit, got Ekitike and Cunha, or I did not get, or थियागो ने मैच कर लिया Ekitike ko Cunha was a blank, right? So I
Yeah.
needed some more information. On paper, it was fine. It's just that कि that Arsenal match really fucked me up. Like I wanted
Yeah.
कि at least एक start करे और मुझे कुछ points वहाँ से मिल जाए. So
Yeah.
effectively down to 10 men. I have no regrets over players like Rogers who gave me like 15 points the previous week. I'm gonna hold him. अभी भी
Obviously, yeah.
counter attack पे he did get chances. Again जैसे आपने कहा 90-minute man, he's also 90-minute man. Unfortunately, this was a match जहाँ उसे yellow card मिल गया and he did nothing in the match. But ठीक है, it's a player I'm gonna hold. एक differential था मेरा Bowen. He had chances. He missed a really big chance. If you go and look at his stats, he had good data once again. He really should have scored in that second chance which he got. But ठीक है. थियागो अगर आप हर गोल देखोगे ना शाडे का तो थियागो वहीं होता है. It's just
Yeah.
that कि शाडे उसके आगे somehow आगे अपना सर मार दिया, पैर मार दिया, whatever. Great assist for the first goal by the way.
Yeah.
एक लुइस पॉटर भी था जो उसका एक हेडर उसने
Yeah.
थियागो को डिनाई करा. एंड थियागो वाज रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड आल्सो कि
Yeah.
भाई
He
मेरे को लेने
jumped
देता. तो ही
everywhere.
वाज
Yeah.
yeah,
I guess.
so it's a good sign in the sense that he's getting in the right positions. Team is doing well, especially at home, and I think
Thiago
it's
was
another good week for
exceptional
him.
this match. Thiago was
Yeah,
very good. Yeah.
very good in this match, and it at least for this week he's a hold home to Tottenham.
100% I agree.
उसके बाद हालैंड, फोर्डन, ओराइली मतलब इजी है एक्सेप्ट करना वरन क्योंकि लोगों के पास है कि इन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया. बट पीपल डू हैव चर्की, पीपल स्टिल आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू राइंडर्स, पीपल डू हैव प्लेयर्स लाइक
Guardiola, bro.
मार्टियस नूनेस फॉर एग्जांपल जो ओवर लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स काफी अच्छा कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स समथिंग जो मतलब वो है.
I can't wait
टैवर्नियर
to get rid of O'Reilly, by the way. You rightly pointed out. They
या
are better defenders.
exactly. Yeah, but he's the second of 5 defenders who plays, so he's not a priority sell. Uh, Sunderland boys did really well, 10 points from these two. क्या बोलूँ मैं, save the week भी नहीं बोल सकता, but हाँ मतलब थोड़ा सा respectable बना दिया as
Salvaged.
well.
Salvaged.
Yeah, Tavernier got a yellow card, had a shot. I thought ये transitional game होगा with a lot of goals. It was the case, but Brentford were clearly the better team, and there is something really wrong with Bournemouth right now.
No,
So
Bournemouth are
anyways,
bad. Yeah.
he's again मेरे को लगता है कि over 5-6 weeks I want to judge him, so he's gonna do okay. I feel still. It's just that कि अभी नहीं किया है. I'm just gonna keep more patience with some players, especially because I have a lot of injured, suspended, doubtful, whatever players कह लो. The only decision I made right was Dubravka, जिसने 4 point gain दिया और Vicario. So yeah, let's see. Manan 12 minute हो चुके यार. We really have to rush through things.
Yeah, we will. We will.
So yeah.
Just on the topic of this is a so आपने एक fixture crunch की बात करी थी. Obviously 9 to game week almost 21-22 बहुत short duration है, and I'm genuinely saying be ready for rotations. I mean, there'll be teams with a lot of your players will get rotated. That's fine. You can't do anything about it. It's a very short turnaround for a lot of teams. Get reliable players again. I'll keep on saying that. Get reliable 90 minutes players जो आपको पता है इस fixture crunch में भी खेलेंगे. I just wanted to focus on a couple of teams, Rakshit, really quickly, because sort of वही dilemma है लोगों के लिए. One is Newcastle, Rakshit. If you see यहाँ पे, they are the only team with like good 5 sort of good fixtures in a row. I'm considering Gordon, I'm considering Bruno G, I'm
Yeah.
considering Thiago, I'm considering Lewis Hall because I want a defender and a midfielder this week. It's just I cannot
Yeah.
predict कि इनमें से 5 गेम में 4 भी कौन 90 मुझे देगा. I don't know any of those
I
players.
guess the problem with Newcastle,
Yeah.
we can accept कि they are shit away from home and good at home, right?
Yeah.
They've been garbage away from home. If you point out the best 2 fixtures, they are Burnley and Wolves, both are away from home. I'm not saying they're gonna not win, but मेरे लिए कोई बहुत surprise नहीं होगा अगर let's say Newcastle नहीं जीतती Burnley against away from home. They've been that bad away from home. Okay, Wolves away is a good match obviously, but is Palace at home a good match? Is Aston Villa at home a good match? Is Leeds at home a good match? Genuinely,
Leeds have been really good.
क्या ये तीनों मैचेस उनके अटैक या डिफेंस के लिए अच्छे हैं? आई एम नॉट श्योर. और सेकंड क्वेश्चन आता है कि आप लाओगे क्या?
Exactly.
Right?
सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन वही
Now,
है यार.
अगर आपने खुद बोला रिलायबिलिटी वाइज अगर आप देखो मिनट्स की बात करो तो एक ही प्लेयर मेरे को दिखता हुआ है ब्रूनो गुमारेस, राइट? हु हैज डन वेल.
Exactly.
बट ही हैज डन वेल इन होम मैचेस एंड होम मैचेस आर मेरे ख्याल से तीनों स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड नहीं है, राइट? अवे मैचेस में ही डज नॉट डू वेल. अगर आप फ्रंट लाइन की बात करो, वोल्टेमाडा के साथ विस्सा है, गॉर्डन की आपने बात करी, ही हैज 0 ओपन प्ले गोल्स इन 2025.
Yeah.
ओनली
This
पेनल्टीज, एक
the
भी
year
ओपन प्ले गोल नहीं है
the
पूरे
year is
साल.
ended, हाँ.
Ending, yes,
Ending, yeah,
maybe he
sorry,
gets
yeah.
them in 2026, but uh, he was also Harvey Barnes is gonna get minutes and starts
Yeah.
for sure. उस तरफ तो जाना ही नहीं है, right? With Jacob Murphy and Elanga,
Yeah.
defense, so many injuries, Livramento, Burn, all these guys are out, so defense anyways weak है. So मेरे को बस ये सवाल है मनन आपसे कि न्यूकासल लाओ तो क्या लाओ?
The only one is Bruno G. Again, you
ब्रूनो जी ला सकते हो.
clearly, yeah. And I don't mind getting a Thiaw, by the way. I don't mind getting a Thiaw, but it's just in the next five, I don't see max and max. I see two clean sheet, but realistically, I only see one clean sheet. Is because Leeds have been in the last 6 game weeks, they have been the
Really
third
good.
best attack. They have been
They've been
attacking
really good.
really, yeah, exactly. So again, it's just maybe you get one clean sheet against Burnley or Wolves. That's all I can see.
That's about it. Yeah.
एंड थियाओ वगैरह इतने डेफकॉन भी नहीं देते, सो द अपील एनी विच वेज कम हो जाती है इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग डेफकॉन्स, राइट? बिकॉज लेट्स से इफ यू गेट अ क्लीन शीट यू गेट 6 पॉइंट्स, if you get a defender with defcon he'll give you at least 4 points, right? So it's not कि बहुत कुछ ज्यादा अपील है with defcon plus clean sheet वाली की न्यूकासल से. So I completely agree with you कि कुछ नहीं है. And again second team was Rakshit Liverpool. I have Van Dijk. I can't wait to get rid of him because they can't keep a clean sheet. But it's Ekitike. People who did not get him, I think you should wait now. Fulham and Arsenal are not good matches away from home. Personally, and उसके बाद भी आप देखो बीच में एक Burnley है, and then there's
Leeds is going to be a tough match. Leeds is going to be a
Leeds is
tough
gonna
match.
be a
There is no
tough match.
guarantee कि
Exactly.
Liverpool जीतेगी, by the way.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
I just feel like people should wait on Liverpool. Szoboszlai is a fine pick. I still feel he's someone who's gonna tick along with points. Let's say next 6-7 में he'll give you good like 4s and 2s and then 7 1 एक में कुछ कर देगा. But other than that, I personally feel Liverpool should be an avoid. And now that I think more, जितना मैं सोचता हूँ, I also hate Szoboszlai as a pick. So it's just there's midfield में Rakshit, there are no options. People looking to go off Semenyo, people like me, I cannot decide any player, and now
And
Rice
that is why I'm telling you, मेरे ख्याल से the obvious pick is to wait a week and get Rodgers.
get Rodgers.
Because
That's
if you look at
yeah.
Villa from next week, they have Forest at home, and at home Villa are something else. It's a good match.
Yeah.
Palace away, we've seen Palace अपने home पे कितना struggle कर रही है.
Yeah.
हर match even United beat them उनके home पे.
Yeah.
Right? Everton at home, फिर Newcastle, फिर Brentford, Bournemouth, Brighton, Leeds, Wolves. He's gonna play every single minute of every single match. And
No, I
you know
agree.
what Villa are doing.
Yeah.
They are firmly currently in the title race. अब जो भी होगा इस मैच में वो देखा जाएगा. But the best decision might be to wait, maybe.
Yeah, I think I think options better open up होंगे if the Semenyo guys can wait. And also, by the way, Chelsea, Rakshit, last 6 matches they have been the third worst defense. So it's fine if you play, but Chelsea अपने home पे, I know Bournemouth are not. I have a feeling they won't score more than one. So most likely, if I don't make a Bournemouth Semenyo transfer, I'm gonna bench him, which you can go for it if you have enough players
But
to play for.
I'll tell you the Maresca quotes. Cucurella is a doubt. Reece James के minutes manage होंगे. उसने बोला he may not start in this match, right? So do keep these things in mind. Cucurella I think is a big part of how Chelsea defend, right, as a unit. So कोई बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज नहीं होगा कि बोर्नमouth अगर गोल मारती है and Semenyo इन्वॉल्व होता भी है इसमें. Maybe it's his parting gift for Bournemouth.
Yeah, it
But
could be.
yeah, मतलब डिफेंस में मनन if you look at teams, मतलब मेरे को तो again Everton दिख रही है.
Yeah.
Arsenal maybe after this week, or you can go in this week also, especially अगर आप Gabriel ला रहे हैं.
Yeah.
I was actually looking at Van Hecke also. Brighton के अगर आप longer term fixtures देखो, West Ham, Burnley, then bench him at Man City, फिर Bournemouth, Fulham, Everton, Palace. Not bad fixtures. उसके बाद फिर again Brentford.
The home games are really nice. The home games are good.
Yeah, and
when
they can
Hecke
also unexpectedly keep clean sheets.
also when
and he's
Hecke
good for
की
defcons.
ceiling बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. When Hecke की
Yeah,
ceiling भी बहुत
he's
अच्छी
cheap.
है. He can score goals. Again, people like me have Verbruggen, so obviously he's not a. But
Yeah.
if you want to get a defender, he's a fine pick. Again, but I would like to focus more on the Everton guys. Genuinely, again, एक चीज मैंने notice
देखो,
करी is
मैं बोलूंगा कि they were very lucky to keep a clean sheet against Bournemouth
I agree.
in
I
this
agree.
match.
It's the appeal of Defcons
अगर आप
as well, Rakshit. जब
अगर आप
आएगी बड़ा स्कोर आएगा.
नेक्स्ट
हाँ.
5 में कितनी क्लीन शीट दिख रही है एवर्टन की?
Two?
Wolves, Probably.
So that's the thing, na. But what the appeal of Tarkowski and Keane is, first of all, they can score a goal, and secondly, defcons उनके आते हैं. So if अगर वो एक
Hmm.
भी clean sheet रख रहे हैं, it's a 11 pointer or a 10 pointer or a 12 pointer.
That's
That's
true.
the appeal of it.
That's
And
true.
Arsenal, मतलब बाकी again वही सारे defenders you should target. Mickey Van Den Ven. I know उसके defcons नहीं आ रहे, but there's a pattern this season. Get players who play 90 minutes जिनके defcons आ रहे हैं, who can give you random clean sheets, and you'll get big enough scores.
Okay, talk to me about a team जिसके लोग defensive assets ला रहे हैं और पूरे season नहीं लाए हैं. That's United, and I can see why, because they have Wolves, Leeds, and Burnley next.
Yeah,
So
again,
looking at Dallo, Heaven, Dorgu, do
yeah,
you think it's worth going to a United defender?
no. The
Why?
only worth going in a short term is Dorgu, because he's gonna play for a winger, and if you can hide that spot, right? If he's your fifth defender, you can hide him. He's also on 4 yellow, by the way. So if he
Heaven
gets
is
yellow,
3.8. Dallo has a lot of returns. He's reliable.
but Rakshit, this is United's second clean sheet in the whole season, right? Or
Not sure.
a second clean sheet at home or
And they
something
were
like
lucky
that.
to keep a clean sheet. हाँ,
And they were
in
lucky
this
to keep a
match.
clean sheet. There's absolutely no way.
देखो लीड्स अवे तो पक्का खा रहे हैं, ठीक है, इसकी मैं गारंटी दे रहा हूँ. उसके बाद वुल्व्स एट होम और बर्नली अवे में से मेरे ख्याल से एक आ सकती है.
So
I'm guessing one out of the next three.
So even I'm considering Dorgu, right? For Rodon. Let's say Rodon to Dorgu can be a direct swap, almost same price.
Is this his
Just
first attacking return all season?
yeah, all season. I think first in his United jersey, a goal, I think.
Because he's very
If I'm
basic
not wrong.
and he's
Yeah,
not
it's
known for
he's-
finishing or
yeah,
something,
yeah,
right? So
yeah.
don't expect too many goals from him.
I agree. It's just he was getting into good positions, but I agree with you. You should not get United defenders. And let me let me rephrase it. If you want a United player, there's only Cunha as an option. I kid you not. There's no other option, personally.
Okay, cool. Let's move ahead, Manan. 22 minutes हो गए हैं. Let's focus on the guy on the screen and look at some. I see a lot of blues and reds, dark colors in this graphic actually, more than the others. But will it translate into points? That's the question.
That we'll see.
So, yeah, teams to target apparently are Chelsea, Arsenal, Newcastle, Liverpool, Man City, and United. And absolutely none of them convinced me this week. Chelsea, can I trust them? Who do I get from Chelsea against Bournemouth? I don't know. Attack my defense. Newcastle, do I trust them against Burnley away from home? No. Arsenal, is it really a good match against Villa? Man City are playing a team away from home जिन्होंने एक भी मैच नहीं हारे अपने होम पे all season, Sunderland. And Liverpool are gonna face Leeds. On paper blue है, हाँ है. Anfield पे है, but again, Leeds are in really good form. हमने agree कर रहे हैं इस बात से, right? And United are United, right? So don't know what to expect from them, anyways. So थोड़ा is it slightly deceptive?
Yeah, it is.
The odds.
It is because if you think about, let's say आपने mention किया, we talked about Chelsea, we talked about Newcastle. Chelsea में assets नहीं है. I feel Enzo has been really bad. Maybe you can go for a defender, but I still fancy Bournemouth to score a goal. So it's all about Palmer.
Captaincy punt.
Not captaincy.
He's gonna play 70 minutes.
Yeah.
Will he even start?
He should
That's the
start.
question.
No, I think he said last week, Beresca said Palmer is ready to play 90 minutes. Obviously, he did not play 90 minutes.
And
but
he
I
played
think,
70 minutes.
No, but the difference is the next game week is what, third?
Tuesday night है यार, 3 दिन का सिर्फ gap है. He's coming back from a long injury. He's being managed. He's not played 90 minutes in any match. There is fixture congestion. He's not good for minutes, man.
Yeah,
He's
but
not
I
good for
still
minutes
feel
right
he's
now.
good for 70 minutes. If someone wants to go for Palmer, which someone can be with, that's why I'm convincing you. We'll talk about it in my teams like later. But I don't mind getting Palmer in because Bournemouth are a good team to target. I see Chelsea
agree with
scoring
you.
two
But
goals. Yeah,
is there even a guarantee he'll start? I'm not sure.
fair. That's
And
a
will
good
he start?
argument.
If he starts this match, will he start the match after that? Probably no. And उसके बाद वाला next 3 में से he's not going to start one match. And बाकी में भी minutes manage होंगे. उसके पूरे season minutes manage हुए हैं.
The thing is ना, but Rakshit, वो he can bench him in the cup and cup में तो नहीं करेगा obviously. अब cup तो important match
Next 3 तो Premier League match है, एक हफ्ते में 3.
Yeah. Let's see.
जैसे आपने कहा, get 90-minute reliable men.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's and that. So Chelsea में you don't know who to get. Newcastle में we already talked who to get. United में there's only Cunha. Liverpool में for me there's Ekitike only. By the way, Ekitike when he was getting subbed off, he was holding his hamstring, which is not because of an injury, but it was very tight. Like it felt like he was holding his hamstring and he was feeling it's very tight. So we might see reduced minutes for Ekitike as well. Don't be shocked अगर वो वापस इस मैच में let's say 65-70 minutes ही खेलता है, because he's the only striker they have. So
Words?
sorry,
What about words?
what should be good. I think he should be good.
नहीं, is he an okay option? That's what I'm asking.
We talked about the fixtures, Rakshit. I don't think the fixtures are good now. And
They're
Pro
not.
ने पहला गोल स्कोर किया है and people are like
Yeah.
we know he's a quality player, but it takes a lot of time to adjust in the Premier League. हो गया उसको बहुत, but just on one goal I'm not gonna judge. There's been 18 other appearances. I'll judge him on the basis of that as well. Also now with Szoboszlai back, I don't know if he plays the same role. Words. So क्या होगा tactics में change? I don't know क्या होगा, right?
Yeah.
So any which ways, I think बहुत कुछ है नहीं. I think captaincy is something we should talk about, because बहुत सारे blues हैं. But
We'll discuss it. We'll discuss it when we discuss our teams captaincy.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to point out?
Let's move on to this free hit draft. इससे थोड़ा सा 1 मिनट मनन बात कर सकते हैं. मेरे भाई ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था, उसका फ्री हिट है. So अगर this is the last week to free hit by the way, or use any chips.
Any
बिकॉज
chip,
आपका
yeah.
रीसेट हो जाएगा फिर उसके बाद. सो अगर आपका फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द सीजन में कोई भी चिप बचा है, फ्री हिट हो, ट्रिपल कैप्टन हो, बेंच बूस्ट हो, कुछ भी हो, राइट, तो आप यूज कर लो इस वीक में. बट मनन, यू पुट दिस टुगेदर. You
I just
said
took it from
only get a
somewhere.
United player, and you put 3 United players in this particular team.
Free
You
hit.
got
It's
in
a
a
free
Chelsea
hit.
defender, you got in a Newcastle defender, you got in Palmer, you have no Foden in your team. Instead, you have Florian Wirtz. You have Guardiola in your team from Man City. So yeah,
It's not my
it's a very
draft.
tricky week.
I
It's a very
took it
tricky
from
week.
somewhere, but I liked it. I liked Palmer as a differential. I like
मैं तो वहीं पुट अप हो गया जब मैंने कैल्वर्ट लुइन को बेंच पे देखा.
yeah, Calvert-Lewin. You can start Calvert-Lewin.
He's scoring.
Absolutely.
He's scoring.
Yeah. But
मेरा फ्रंट
I
थ्री
think
होगा राहुल हिमेनेज, कैल्वर्ट लुइन एंड रिचार्लिसन. They will score, all score.
yeah, I did not even know a goalkeeper named John existed, but okay. But anyway,
He's 4.0, right?
yeah.
He's 4.0. Yeah.
Yeah, you can go with Dubravka and John, but any which ways. But I think this is a good draft. It has a good set of differential. Gordon की जगह वोल्टेमार्डे हो सकते हैं. Obviously, चर्की की जगह फोडन हो सकते हैं. वर्ड्स की जगह भी आप फोडन डाल के ग्वार्डियोल की जगह कोई और अदर डिफेंडर्स पे you can double up or you can triple up again. I like the look of it. I like. अच्छा है. I don't mind free hitting actually अगर किसी के पास है ना चिप रक्षित, because there are fixtures to target. But हाँ वही है कि अब how does it turn out? But yeah, this is the last week, so you have to do it.
Yeah. This is I don't have much to say except the fact that I hate it. Absolutely hate it.
Yeah.
Let's go to your team. Okay, finally, you have one transfer.
Yeah.
You took a hit last week. You have one transfer. So Rodon is out for a long time, I think. Matlab at least for a
It
few
looked like
matches.
a
So
serious injury.
you can
Yeah.
probably bench him or like sell him, but he's not gonna play it. Timber पे क्या update है मेरे को नहीं पता है.
I don't think वो मिलेगा या भी नहीं मिलेगा, but हाँ.
Yeah, he might. It's a 50-50. उसके अलावा लेकिन as compared to the other teams I've seen, your team looks pretty sorted for players to start and
That's
potentially
not good.
play a lot of minutes.
That's not good.
So, my friend, what are you planning?
I can leave it like that if Timber is fine, but the problem is my bench is done. I don't have a bench. Rodon is out, Guyu doesn't play, and King also doesn't play. Right, so I don't want to risk the fact that अगर Timber नहीं खेला तो I'm absolutely gone to 10 में. बाकी सारे players I think should play. बाकी और किसी के लिए doubt नहीं है. So I'm thinking of I'm still considering a hit. The plan sort of is to. I was considering Palmer, I was considering Szoboszlai, I was considering Gordon, I was considering Bruno G. I don't like any midfielders, right? So the plan is to bench Semenyo and do Rodon to either a Tarkovsky. I have enough money. or do Rodon to some other defender, and then just Ben Semenyo. And let's say if Timber doesn't play, Semenyo can come on. But the problem with that is I'm investing too much money in my defense. I like the structure कि मेरे पास sort of Van Dijk and Timber थोड़े से प्रीमियम डिफेंडर्स है, देन कीन ओराइली सब प्रीमियम, एंड देन रोडॉन एक वो, राइट? सो आई प्रोबेबली I'm gonna do Rodon to someone. I don't know who. Probably it might be Dorgu for a 1 week punt, Ben Semenyo, or because I can't do Rodon to Gabriel directly. One time I would have made that move, but yeah, I
You think
think
Gabriel starts?
I 100%. They have
I
been
think he
preparing him
starts.
for this match. It's the most important match for Arsenal, I feel, na? Because if they win, they get a good margin above at least Aston Villa. But if they draw, lose, right? Oh, it can be very, very, very. I can't even think of words कि अगर आर्सेनल ये मैच हार जाती है, ड्रॉ करती है,
Yeah.
एंड विला के लिए बहुत होगा एक पॉइंट भी
I have
लॉस.
this gut feeling कि Arsenal City में से एक will not win this midweek,
या
and
कुड
it
बी
could be either one, by the way.
या या
I think बहुत टाइम बाद ऐसा हुआ है over the last 3 weeks or something कि I think Arsenal are playing पहले City
या
से,
पहले
क्योंकि City used to play पहले and like put the points on the board, and
प्रेशर ऑन.
Arsenal used to respond and whatever and responded well. But I think इस बार अगर एक statement win आ जाती है Arsenal की against Villa, और उसके बाद फिर City have like Sunderland away जो है tricky, for sure tricky है. आधा सीजन निकल गया मनन and they have not lost at home. It's gonna be tricky. So इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता है, एंड आई थिंक यू आर राइट कि देयर होल, यू कैन से दिस इंजरी थिंग इज बिल्डिंग अप टू दिस मैच. हाँ, Villa at home, we have to win this match, right?
It's the most
And
important
put
match.
out a very strong team. I think Gabriel will start. I think Timber will start. I think Hincapié Calafiori is 50-50. And I think उसके अलावा you'll have the full team. Trossard, Gyökeres Merino में से एक, and वही Odegaard, Zubimendi and Rice in midfield.
So that's the thing, right, Rakshit? If we get news that Timber is fine, I don't know if we will, though. That's the issue. If we'll get news or not. Because if we get Timber, I'm rolling. It's okay. I'm fine with playing Semenyo, have 2 transfers, and then sell Semenyo, Timber for Gabriel and a better, let's say, Rogers, right? And I really like my team. But the problem, I can also do, by the way, Semenyo to Rice, but it's just that means I'll have to sell Timber next week for Gabriel, which is fine. But I'll be stuck with Van Dijk. That's the issue. So I don't know which route to take. I don't know if I have to sell Semenyo this week. I have to get a defender in, but I don't know who to get. So thoda sa complicated hai, but yeah, I might make one transfer. I might take a hit. I'm in between those two. I don't think I'll roll. And captain Cunha से थोड़ा tempted हूँ, but I saw that match, and without Mount second half में they really struggled, and I don't know if they have the right players to even, I'm not talking about feeding Cunha, just play around Cunha, right? Cunha was really good. Cunha was he was doing his job. He was tackling, intercepting, everything. He was doing everything right. He was pressing. He looked fine, but I don't think the team around is enough for me to have thoda confidence on Cunha for captaincy especially. So I don't think उसके अलावा
And
मेरी टीम
Wolves
में
हमने
option
देखा है
है.
मनन, away from home इतना thrash नहीं हो रही है because they just put in a low block.
Yeah.
We've seen enough now. We've seen like Liverpool away and Arsenal away. So they have a template. अगर आप Wolves वाला पहला मैच देखोगे ना, United जब Bruno hauled, तो it was a transitional game. Wolves were going for it, United were going for it. There were so many spaces. There was Mbeumo, Diallo, Bruno, Cunha, सब थे. There is almost no one here. Mount is out. There is no Bruno. There is no Amad Diallo. There is no Brian Mbeumo. Almost everything is on Cunha. I think he can do well. Obviously, you back United to score a couple of goals and
It's
him
the
to get
X club,
involved.
bro. It's the X club. It's the former club.
He's desperate to score.
Yeah.
But again, मतलब वही है कि are you willing to go for it? Is it going to be high scoring? That's the question.
I think I'm firmly in the Haaland captaincy, because if he blanks, it's fine. if he scores, it's fine. I mean, captaincy, I don't think it utna karta effect if you can just stick it to Haaland if you're unsure about it. You only
Yeah.
take risk against going against Haaland if you're absolutely sure of. If इसी की जगह Rakshit Bruno hota, right, it would have been different topic altogether, because we all
Yeah,
we
yeah,
all
for
know
sure.
how reliable Bruno is, and I was eyeing Bruno for this fixture. Unfortunately, he got injured. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Haaland captain.
Yeah, and he did score three against Sunderland. Obviously, Sunderland away has bar.
Yeah.
But they are also having some injury issues. Ballard, I think, is also injured. They have 7 players in AFCON. Alderete is the only proper center back. So मुझे लगता है थोड़ा है उनको target करने
हाँ,
का.
let's
And
see how they
Leeds,
manage.
Leeds should have scored 2 or 3 man against them. You see, I
Hmm.
think they had 5, 6 shots on target against Sunderland. So I think it might be like a decent time to play them.
It's a real test. This one is the
Let's see.
real test, yeah,
Let's
for
see.
Sunderland.
Yes, this is the good news is there is a good news, by the way. I have
Wow.
2 free
Okay.
transfers.
Okay.
I have
Okay.
2 free transfers is the good news, because I need those two transfers.
Yeah, you do. You do. That's right.
Uh, yeah, so let's just focus on players who are flagged, because I have too many of them, and I'm not even thinking about removing players जो already मेरी team में हैं. उनके बारे
Sorry,
में
but you
बाद
have
में हम
all the
discuss
colors of the flags there's available, yeah? Red and yellow.
ऑरेंज नहीं है बस. सो
हाँ.
2 प्लेयर तो पक्का आउट हैं फॉर द नेक्स्ट फ्यू मैचेस, जो दोनों बेंच पे हैं, ब्रूनो एंड लिवरामेंटो. एंड उसके अलावा आई हैव टैवर्नियर हु मे नॉट स्टार्ट अगेंस्ट, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम बोर्नमथ का मिडवीक मैच हुआ था तो टैवर्नियर वाज बेंच्ड, तो ही मे नॉट स्टार्ट. आई हैव 2 सदरलैंड प्लेयर्स अगेंस्ट मैन सिटी, which is not ideal. I have 2 Arsenal defenders who both may not start, so that is also not ideal. I
Can you
have
ask
an
for your
Aston
brother
Villa
for the
midfielder
free
who has
hit?
Arsenal away.
Wait. I've seen your
Aston Villa
brother's
midfielder.
free. Wait. I've seen your brother's free normal team. He doesn't require a free hit. Can you take a free hit?
I'll somehow make it worse than my original team. That's how it
Yeah.
is going. But yeah, so एक और problem is कि if I get in, like, you know, I'm looking at long-term solutions. That's how I'm looking at it, and trying to get reliable players in my team now. But मतलब first glance पे, with 2 free transfers, what would you do? Let me ask you. Like, क्या
Do you have
किस
money in the
type
bank?
of 0.4, 0.5, I think. But I have the Bruno money now. So if I
Yeah,
sell
but
him, I'll
no, but
save some money.
I was thinking about Bruno to Saka if you had money, right? And something like Bruno to
I don't
Saka,
want
Kalev.
Saka.
No, I get it. I get it. You don't want it. It's just a good placeholder for, let's say, future में Palmer, or it's money that you can distribute. But with Bruno, first of all, I'd do Calafiori to Gabriel. Like get him in.
There is a realistic chance कि Timber does not start and Calafiori starts,
We don't know what
because
happened with
there are rumors
Calafiori,
he
right?
was ill.
Though
There are rumors he was ill,
who?
right? Calafiori, जबकि Timber is carrying an injury. That's the fucking problem with Arteta.
Yeah, but you need to remove one
You
of
won't
them,
know.
right? Or
I
you
have
can just
Livramento to remove, bro.
Yeah, so that then what you should do is, no, because I was focusing more on Gabriel aspect. Then what you can do is just you can do a Liveramento to a, let's say, Keane or a Tarkowski, right, and downgrade Bruno to a sub 7.5
Rice.
million midfielder. Rice, yeah, Rice is a great
Rice.
option. Rice is
Like,
a
I'm looking
great
at
option.
Bruno to Rice and Livramento to even a Gabriel. अच्छा, Gabriel तो आ नहीं सकता.
Yeah,
Livramento to an
that's
Everton defender. क्योंकि
yeah. I
I
think
also have Rogers, right? So मतलब they can score against Arsenal. Of course they can,
no,
because they're
that's
doing well.
true. No, they can obviously, and then what
मतलब
you do
what I'm
is
saying is कि एक वीक मूव करा जा सकता है, और डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि कौन सा आर्सेनल डिफेंडर खेलेगा नहीं खेलेगा, किसको हटा के गेब्रियल लाना है, कैन बी डिलेड बाय वीक. दैट्स ऑल आई
I
मीन.
agree. I agree.
या
I think these are solid moves. And what you can also do, you can just start them over, let's say, an Elderate and someone, right? One of
Alderete is
Calafi.
going to be on the bench. Yeah.
Yeah, and even Xhaka, and you can just see if the Arsenal guys don't play, the Sunderland guys can come on. You
ऐसे ही
can
कुछ है.
also do that.
देखो, अगर आप एक्चुअली देखोगे कि यू लुक एट टिम्बर एंड कालाफियोरी इन, लाइक, किसको हटाना है, किसको हटाना है, बट यू लुक एट माय बेंच एंड देयर आर 2 प्लेयर्स जिनको डेफिनेटली हटाना है.
नहीं,
सो आई रादर
100%.
फोकस ऑन देम,
I agree.
right?
Hmm.
So I am looking at definitely getting a defender, because I'm very short. So I'm just thinking ki instead of like going for a Cunha or someone, I'll get Rice and just keep him.
Rice
Bruno
is
to
a
Rice
solid pick. Yeah.
every week. I think if Arsenal win the league, he's gonna be player
Yeah.
of the season, Premier League player of
Yeah,
the season.
he deserves to
He
be.
will be, yeah. He will be. I think he will anyways be top 5 point scorers in the
And
game.
by the way, with Gabriel back, right, the whole set piece situation comes back. The whole
Obviously,
routine, the whole routines and
you
everything. So it's gonna
you look
enhance
at
Rice
the
better. Yeah.
Rutter own goal. That was all about Rice ka delivery.
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
insane. Look at the
yeah.
whip he got on that corner. And even he made a 92nd minute, third minute run from right back where he almost assisted open play se.
Yeah, and I
He's
don't
doing
think
everything, bro.
last match mein it was because he was playing right back. You might have felt like कि यार नहीं यार appeal नहीं है, but it's just his set piece से ही appeal इतनी है. And if he plays obviously in his original position, उसका attack में भी involved. Every 2 matches he has a big chance missed, or he
Yeah,
scores that chance. Every
he's
match,
gonna tick along. He's
every
gonna tick
second match.
along, and you
He's a
just keep him
solid
in
fixer.
whatever wala scene hai.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna do Bruno do Rice, and uske baad it makes sense for me to remove Livramento.
Yeah.
Delay getting Gabriel by 1 week because it's again Villa, and I have a Villa player, and I don't know which Arsenal defender to remove, and get in another defender. Now it may be that I go for an Everton, और मेरा थोड़ा सा Van Heck का भी मन था. You have a Brighton goalkeeper, वो randomly रख सकते हैं clean sheet, but I get the logic कि हाँ Everton जब भी clean sheet
Yeah.
रखेगी तो वो दोनों का बहुत high. और
What I
अगर
would-
आप देखो ना मनन कि with all these attacking players out now, even if they win like 1-0 or something, there's a good chance कि ये दोनों का गोल मारो
Yeah.
यार.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. I agree. Also, what I would suggest you to do is keep money in the bank for, let's say, a Kala Fury to a Gabriel. Matlab,
Bro, I'll have enough money to do Xhaka to
O'Reilly
like
to.
a Saka or something
No,
with
you won't,
these
right?
moves. No, I'm
Bruno.
selling Bruno and getting Rice.
हाँ, तो that's only
And I'm
one.
removing Livramento and getting
Rice is 7.5. Yeah,
मैं तो बस
matlab, there's
बात
not.
बोल रहा हूँ भाई बस.
हाँ, but I'm just saying, just have money for a Kala Fury to a Gabriel update for next week. Just, I don't want you
Fury
to.
and Gabriel is like 0.3, 0.4. That's it.
Oh, okay. My bad. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Kala Fury is, मतलब Kala Fury still I think top 6-7 top scoring
Points-
defenders, and he is
Yeah.
around 5.96 I think.
Okay.
It's
I
just
thought
that
it's something
I
around 5.5.
I don't know कौन
हम्म।
बाहर है कौन नहीं है, कौन फिट है कौन इल है कौन इंजर्ड है, किसका क्या हो रहा है आर्सेनल में भगवान जाने. But yeah, we have to have a Gabriel plan.
But
One of
what
them
if
will go for Gabriel. But I
what
don't
if
know
we
who.
get what if we get news कि around Kala Fury is a huge doubt or something? Then you can do Kala Fury
I'll
to
sell it.
Gabriel and Bruno to
I'll take a
Rice,
hit.
right? Yeah. No, even you don't. You can take a hit actually. Yeah. I
I'll
don't
see what
mind
to
that.
do. Yeah.
But good thing is actually that's a very good news that you have 2 free transfers.
बट ब्राइटन में ना द थिंग
Figure
इज
it
कि
out.
अगर आप देखोगे अगेन लॉन्गर टर्म फिक्सचर्स आर गुड, एंड मेरे हिसाब से बेस्ट एफपीएल एसेट इन ब्राइटन इज वैन हेका बाय फार. ही इज द स्टैंड आउट पिक फ्रॉम द टीम. एंड आप शक्लें बना लो बट यू योरसेल्फ हैव अ ब्राइटन डिफेंडर.
No, I agree, and I've been watching them. It's just I
They're gonna
don't
keep
know.
random clean sheets. वही है.
Yeah, exactly, random, right? So I don't know which
Van Hecke is
games.
really good from set pieces. He's good for defcons. He gets assists also, by the way. He's really good for bonus.
I just feel when the Everton picks are there, is he better than them? Is my question.
Are Everton better than Brighton defensively? Because again, they were very lucky to keep that clean sheet against Burnley.
I agree, but a whole season they
You
have,
are looking to get-
you own Tarkowski, right, Rakshit, before, and you were like they somehow
Yeah, I
do
know.
it, but I don't know. Yeah, that's the thing, na? Everton are
but
defense
they
first.
were playing.
Brighton are
They were
not.
playing better. They were playing better. They are not playing that well right now. Disagui is still in AFCON, and overall अगर आप देखोगे मतलब they really should have conceded. मतलब Forest जब आप बोलोगे हाँ this could easily be like a 0-0 or something etc. But you back Forest to score at home in this particular match, right?
I get you, right? Brighton keeping a clean sheet
मैं
but
बस
is a
ये कह
rare
रहा हूँ कि
outcome. Is what I'm saying. They
हाँ
kept what
तो
3-4 clean sheets whole season.
what's the difference Everton or Brighton clean sheets में? I don't know.
I think Everton have 7-8.
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe.
That's what I'm saying. Na? It's just if you would ask me who's defense first, who'll keep more clean sheet in the next 10, I'd still say Everton. I'd be more confident in Everton
Probably.
than Brighton.
Probably. probably.
The appeal of a Brighton goalkeeper, Rakshit, is he'll at least get save points, right? That's what I know. Waneke can get DEFCON, but it's just Tarkowski and Keane can give you aerial threat. Waneke ka bhi hai, but it's just the whole combo package along with a better chance of a clean sheet. Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
I don't know who I'm gonna captain. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
But you are not getting Cunha in, so I don't know who other options you have.
I have a lot of options, bro. At my rank, I can captain Alderete in my team also.
No, but
Like, who gives a shit?
realistically,
Realistically
who
ही
are
कह
you?
रहा हूँ. I can captain Morgan Rogers, bro.
You are not starting Alderete, bro.
He will come on because my all these players will start and get injured in warm up. क्या what's the point? कौन सा प्लेयर मैं लाऊंगा बताओ जो स्टार्ट करेगा जिसको मैं वार्म अप में इंजर कराऊंगा बताओ. Are you getting
Rice.
some player? Let me injure him.
Yeah, I might get in Rice. So if you are getting Rice, then I'll
then
think about it.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. जाने से पहले जरूर hit the like button. Subscribe करें channel को, share it with your friends, and all the best for game week 19. We'll see you soon. Telegram channel जरूर join करना. Let me show you.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah,
Cheers,
this is the
cheers,
one.
cheers.
Bye.